My name is Laila Achieng, Product Support Sales Manager, Mantrac, Kenya. We have more than 40 years experience as a distributor of cut-heavy machinery and power generation. But we are so much more than that. We're a solutions provider for any problem. We've invested heavily in our inventory and engineering know-how, which means we know how to get the best performance from your equipment and have the technical skills needed to ensure you stay online and within budget. Our interconnected network with an expansive parts inventory ensures we're there every step of the project so we can repair, replace or rebuild depending on your needs with minimal downtime. Plus our reconstruction facility means we have the infrastructure and capabilities to rebuild your parts to Caterpillar standards and service your operations faster than anyone else. Our experienced technicians, aftermarket consultants, and fully equipped field vehicles are also on hand to bring you the comprehensive maintenance and repair service you need whenever, wherever. And we make sure your investment is secure with customized coverage bundles, including a customer value agreement, preventative maintenance, and extended protection. So you can invest knowing you have Mantrac's full support for your entire equipment life cycle. To find out more, please visit our website.